This is my folding table project. It's sort of a folding patio table. These are my drawings, and usually when you draw your own drawings, nobody else can read them except you, unless you're a professional drawer. But as you can see, I have this giant table here in this pretty small deck backyard I live in, so I want to make some more space. What I'm doing first is I've basically made my drawing, and now I'm cutting all my pieces. I sort of wrote out every piece that I need to cut, and then so working on cutting the pieces, and then I'll put the table together, and we'll go from there. A little windy, a little rainy today, but still a good day to make a table. Okay, so I've got all my pieces cut here. I've cleared out a little work area, and I'm going to start building. Okay, I've finished my two inner frame parts here. So now I'm going to attach them together. So I finished the inner frame. It's not perfectly square, but it's a picnic table, folding patio table. It's not gonna. I think it's gonna be fine. All the lines match up, and we'll see when we add everything else together. Alright, so these are going to be my swinging legs. I made 4 of them. And I'm just going to attach them down here, and I've angled cut these, a little rough, but it'll be fine. And then we'll put them on hinges, and they'll be able to swing out, hold the table. I've glued them, so I'm going to let them dry, and I'll start working on the wings of this table. Okay, I've made my first folding wing. This will drop down on the side, and I'm going to make a second one now, and then we'll put the hinges on and see how they fit. So I've hinged up the first side, and it was actually kind of difficult to get it matched up. The one thing I would note is I kind of cheaped out on the hinges I bought, but they seem to be working. There's 4 of them. And okay, let's do the other side. So I put on both of the hinges on both sides. They seem to line up okay. I just started the hinge in the lower end here, and yeah, you can see it'll hinge back and forth, and we'll see how this finishes off. I know it's a lower than the table here, but I am going to put a spacer here just to lift it up a little. And that's it. So I think I've done a pretty good job leveling the table. I've added these little things here, and then I've put a little piece of dowel in there, the hole. That makes it so it doesn't move when people are sitting at the table. So now I'm going to put my deck boards on. I'm going to add an extra support here too. So I've trimmed all the deck boards here, and I'm attaching them with these hidden screws, and yeah, we'll see how it folds when it's done. Almost finished. And this is the completed table. There we go. Show you, I've got both sides done, and when it folds up, the fence boards come right, or the deck boards come right up against each other. One thing I would say is this thing is heavy, but there's plenty of storage for chairs underneath, and it's good. I'll take one more video of it completely open. This is it in the folded position, and this is the table in the completely open position, and you can see underneath my hinges are holding up quite well. Okay. I hope this helps you build a table like this in the future, and the reason I did this video is I couldn't find anybody that's built something like this. I've found ones you can buy for $1,500 or more, but this is it. It's our table now.